Guangzhou SOSU Electronic Technology Company Limited is established in 2009. We are a professional company engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of digital signage, interactive whiteboard, industrial panel PC, touch kiosk. We are in Guangzhou City with convenient transportation access and beautiful environment. Our company covers an area of 6,000 square meters and has more than 100 employees. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001, 3C, FCC, C and NHS certificates. Our products are popular with people and selling well. Our products are exported to many countries such as America, Canada, Korea, Japan, UK and so on. Our products have wide application such as bank, school, office, shopping mall and so on.